There is a wind.
What?
I just said
Oh, that water bottle fell off the roof.
Her face is ugly.
He's like,
soda.